All right, language explorers. So, let's look at a word in English with British English ASMR. Let's talk about the word with tea. Very good. Very good. So, let's have a look. So we could say slash, slate, slattern, slaughter, slav, slave, slaver, slay, sleazy, sledge, sleek, sleep, sleet, sleeve, slight, slime, slither. Slither. That's a good word. Slither. Slither. Yeah. Slobber. Slobber. Slogan. Sloop. 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 Okay. Slither. Slide unsteadily. Okay, slither. Let's have that. Slither. 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 So verb. Slide okay. Slide unsteadily. Okay. Slide steadily. Or slide across something. Slither. Like a snake. Slither. There we are, like a snake. Slide and slither across the floor. The snake will slither across the floor. Yeah. Why does it always slither? Why does it always slither? How do you know how to slither? Seeing it slither is strange. Yeah, seeing it slither is strange. Yeah, very good. Very good. He saw it slither suddenly. Suddenly. She stopped it from slithering. Slithering. Yeah. I slithered my way to the tea. Slithered. How cool is that? Yeah. They know how to slither. Is it slithering now? It is slithering now. Slithering now. It slithered away into the bushes. Into the bushes. The bush. Okay. Forest maybe? Into the bushes, into the trees. It slithered away into the forest, into the trees. Yeah. Out of sight. It is always slithering across the floor. It's always slithering across the floor. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Very good. They know it. He, she, I, they, it. Okay, slithered. Slithered, yeah, okay. It slithered away in the... It slithered away into the bushes. It is slithering now. It likes to slither. That is all it can do. It likes to slither. That's what it does naturally. It slithers naturally by itself. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Slither. Very good. Yeah. So slither, verb, so to slide unsteadily. Or slide across something, like slither across the floor. Yeah. How cool is that? I slithered over to the tea. Very nice. So, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.